Whether you're a young or young at heart gardener, it's important to protect your joints when gardening. You'll reduce fatigue and be able to keep gardening longer with less muscle strain. Use a kneeler pad or kneeling pads to protect your knees. I've been using Corona's Nilo Kneeler and their Nilo knee pads for quite a few years to do just that. Corona recently introduced a whole new line of garden accessories under the Bergen & Ball brand. The bright colors of these garden accessories make them easy to find, and the shock-absorbing foam interior provides a very comfortable surface that helps reduce knee stress. Use Nilo knee pads when working on various projects throughout your yard. They make it convenient and comfortable to protect your knees as you move from one garden bed or task to another. Plus, these Bergen & Ball garden accessories provide excellent protection and water resistance, just like the Kneeler pads. I bought a set of these for my son-in-law to use when he helps me in my gardens. He said he wished he had these when he was installing flooring. Don't overlook the importance of protecting your hands as well when gardening. A good pair of gloves provides support and protection when digging, planting, pruning, and more. I've tried a variety of gloves and bought a pair of the Bergen & Ball Love the Gloves last fall. They regulate hand temperature while remaining flexible. Plus, they're machine washable and won't stiffen when dry. Protecting your knees and hands when gardening will boost your enjoyment and help keep you gardening for more seasons to come.